Contrary to what some may think, many individuals perceived as being broke actually hold steady, well-paying jobs. The challenge they face isn't a lack of income, but rather poor money management skills. The fact is, financial illiteracy is all too common, leaving many of us unsure of how to handle our finances. But that's all about to change. Today, you'll learn how to take control of your money and live a life of financial abundance. Let's get started. Gain insight into your financial standing. Getting a handle on your finances starts with understanding your current financial situation. This involves determining what assets you own and what liabilities you have. Liabilities, or debts, are what you want to avoid. While the process of assessing your financial status may seem daunting at first, there are many free websites and apps that can help simplify the task. They allow you to input your income and track your expenses by linking to your bank statements. These resources can help you pinpoint areas where you may be overspending or waste money. Based on your financial goals, they can also personalize recommendations on where you should allocate your resources to reach your desired outcome. You'll be amazed at the quick results you'll see and the potential savings you can make. Don't hesitate to reach out to a financial advisor for guidance towards financial independence. Define your objectives. Earning and saving money are important, but without a clear goal in mind, the motivation to do so can dwindle. That's why it's crucial to set specific, measurable goals for your finances. Consider these objectives as markers along your financial journey. To begin, assess your current financial standing and determine what steps you need to take to reach your desired financial outcome. It's important to have a balanced mix of both short-term and long-term goals. Regularly reviewing your progress and seeing how much closer you are to achieving your goals will keep you motivated. Create a spending plan. One crucial component of your financial success is creating a budget. Without one, you may be more likely to spend money without consideration. Each month, list your income and create categories for your necessary expenses such as rent, groceries, utilities, etc. Consider setting up automatic payments for bills to reduce stress and limit the amount of cash on hand for impulsive spending. A budget will also reveal where you may be overspending, such as multiple subscription services or excessive dining out. Sticking to a budget requires discipline, but it is a crucial step towards achieving financial freedom. Take control of your finances and start budgeting today. Embrace discomfort. We often get too comfortable with our current circumstances, even though we know we are capable of more. Stepping outside of our comfort zone can be difficult, both mentally and physically. But embracing discomfort is necessary to grow and reach our full potential. Don't let fear hold you back from new opportunities and taking risks. Show yourself that you have the courage to chase after what you truly desire. Breaking out of your comfort zone is a surefire way to make positive changes in your life. Establish a safety net with an emergency fund. It's essential to have a safety net in place in case of unexpected events. An emergency fund can protect you from falling into financial difficulties. Having a designated amount set aside for emergencies will give you peace of mind and prepare you for crises before they occur. Regardless of your income, make it a habit to save at least 10% for emergency funds. This is a way of taking care of yourself and ensuring that your finances are secure in case of any unexpected needs or emergencies. Trim your spending. It's all about budgeting. When you have a clear picture of where your money is going, it can surprise you to see some of your unnecessary expenses. Treating yourself occasionally, like a coffee date, is okay, but you must be aware of areas where you need to reduce your spending. It's different for everyone, but one thing's for sure, any expense that's not in your budget and made on impulse should be cut immediately. Your budget consists of two types of expenses, fixed and flexible. Fixed expenses are the same amount every month, like rent or car payments. Flexible expenses change from month to month, like gas and groceries. To save as much as possible, it's important to consider both types of expenses. Cutting flexible expenses is usually easier, but reducing fixed expenses, like finding an apartment with lower rent, can lead to bigger savings. Build your future with savings and investments. We just talked about having an emergency fund, which is a type of savings. There are other types of savings that can help you too, like a retirement fund. Many employers automatically set up a retirement fund for their employees. And there's also saving for a specific goal, like buying a house or furthering your education. Investing is crucial for financial freedom. Many wealthy individuals make a significant portion of their income from passive sources, such as investments. Take the time to educate yourself on investing. And if you're just starting out, consider hiring a financial advisor for guidance. Don't compare yourself to others. Let's be honest, if you're spending money to impress others, you're the only one to blame for financial trouble. Stop hanging out with people who make you feel bad, and don't watch shows or follow influencers that make you feel inferior. Spending beyond your means is the quickest path to financial ruin. In fact, many people you see living a lavish lifestyle online can't actually afford it. They rely on loans and sponsorships, which don't last forever. Becoming debt-free may seem like a daunting task, but having outstanding debt can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. The first step to take is to focus on paying off your bad debts. With interest accruing, becoming debt-free through only making minimum payments can take a long time. One effective strategy to speed up repayment is to allocate any extra money towards paying off one debt at a time. Once that debt is paid off, roll the payments into the next debt and continue the process until all your debts are gone. However, it's important not to neglect your savings while paying off debt. Consider finding a balance between paying off debt and saving by dividing your contributions between the two. Spending less than you earn may seem like simple advice, but it can be challenging to put into practice. Just because your salary has increased, it doesn't mean you need to upgrade every aspect of your life. It's essential to remember that you're playing the long game. Avoid succumbing to short-term temptations that could sidetrack you from your long-term financial goals. This is where a budget becomes valuable. By having a budget, you can keep track of your spending and always have your financial goals in mind. Keeping track of your finances is an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring. It's helpful to schedule regular progress reports throughout the year to evaluate your financial situation, including your income, spending, savings, and net worth. Additionally, it's important to keep an eye on your credit report to catch any errors or potential threats to your credit score, as this affects the interest rates you pay on loans and credit cards. Remember, your financial goals may change over time, and your spending should reflect those changes accordingly. While it's important to spend less than you earn, don't fall into the trap of being too frugal and sacrificing life's comforts. After all, you're not earning money for nothing, it should be enjoyed. One way to boost your income is to seek a better paying job within your current company or to start a side business. Regardless of the route you choose, the goal is to bring in more money so you can improve your lifestyle, save more, and invest in your future. Payday loans may seem like a quick fix, but they are often designed to trap you in a cycle of debt. The interest rates on payday loans are usually exorbitant, making it difficult to pay them off. Avoid payday loans and seek alternative options to manage your short-term financial needs. It may seem far away, but the day you retire will come faster than you think. Social Security benefits only provide a fraction of your income, and many employers no longer offer pensions. That's why it's important to start thinking about your retirement plan as early as possible. Workplace retirement plans such as 401k accounts can be a great way to save for your future. Your contributions are automatically deducted from your paycheck, and some employers even match your contributions, boosting your benefits even more. You also have the option of choosing between traditional 401k and Roth 401k accounts, both with different tax incentives. Make sure to do your research and find out which one works best for you.